Come a little closer and feel the pulse of this perfumed earth and the heartbeat of these ancient stones. Stand in the silence and listen to the music that floats on the still air. It is the sound of the stones singing. Let me go to my mountain in the Burren so fair. Let me breathe once again in your sweet and your fragrant air. Let me bathe in your silence and your wildness embrace, and feel your spirit seep through me in your holy place. O wild pulse of beauty and famed ancient rooms, where the crane's bell and sandwort and the spring gentian blooms, and the white throat and wheatear their migrant song bear, and the pocket aguiha is king of the air. In the years when I laboured neath an alien sky, like Calabar your absence brought tears to my eyes. When the Lord sky and people, and when the walls fenced me in, the breath of your spirit released me again.
Great.